Hi guys, today I am unboxing the Oden's Eye 2026 mystery box. Usually they have two mystery boxes. It seems like they only have one this year, so they normally have a cheaper one and then a bigger one. And this year it is $65. It worked out at 56 euros and 87 cents. The value is $150. And normally, as I said, they have the smaller one and the bigger one. It's only the one this year. I'm very excited to see what they have in here, so stick around if you are interested in seeing that. So I haven't opened the box yet. I only took the plastic off. So let's have a look. It's a very pretty box. It reminds me of Frozen somehow. Get a pretty little card. You can have a look at that, pause and read if you want. Let's move the box. I think I'm just going to take off all the plastic because it is quite noisy, and then I will be back with all the products laid out. Okay, so I do have a whole bunch of these mini shades. This one seems to be a matte. Oh, there's the color name, New Leaf. I'll swatch all the shades afterwards. I just want to go through everything. This one I think I have Anton. It's a matte blue. I have a lot of single shades this time. Normally I only get 2 or 3. This one also seems to be a matte. I don't have a dark green. This is Bori. Oh, this pretty pinky purple shade. I think I have this one. Ava, yes. The ones that I have, I'm not going to open. I will just use the existing ones I have. I think I might have this one also, Nora. It's pretty. And the last of the single shades is Grace. It's a pretty color. I don't think I would have actually purchased it, but it's actually really pretty. Okay, I have 3 lip products. Let's have a look. Shine Lip Gloss, Ava 3 Fairy Wishes. I will open these now. Tawny Rose, that sounds interesting. Another Ava one. Latte Lily. And then this is a matte liquid lipstick. Nude Nectar. Okay, in the smaller boxes we have a blusher. This seems to be in the color Radiant Flame. This is a highlighter. Oh, this packaging is so pretty. And this is in the color Gentle Firefly. And then I received one big palette, Ice Crystal palette. Don't think I know this one. This is interesting. I will open this now. Let's get to the smaller things first, and then I'll do this one last. Okay, so I grabbed my existing single shades. I'm just going to go through them and see which ones I have and which ones I don't, so I can swatch them for you. Okay, so I only have 2 duplicates. It's the blue matte one and the purple one. So let's start with them. The blue matte one is Anton. It's a nice, colorful, just focus, a nice blue shade. It's very pigmented. And the other one is Ava. So you'll see there's an S for the shimmery shadows, a V for the matte shadows, and then we do have the multi-tone shadows as well that has an M. So this is just a standard shimmer. And there's Ava. It's a very pretty color. And there's what that one looks like. So that leaves me with one shimmery shade that will nicely fill my shimmery palette. Okay, that's what Nora looks like. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's a gorgeous color. Kind of wish I kept my single shadow pan because I gave it away with a duplicate. And this one would be nice in my travel bag. Oh, that's pretty. I wish the camera could get how pretty the sparkles are, because it's catching the shine but not the sparkle. Okay, let's open the multi-chrome Grace. It's got a nice pinky orangey shift to it. It's beautiful. Ooh, it's got quite some shine to it. It's a lot lighter on the finger swatch than I expected. Oh, but that's beautiful, huh? I love that orangey pinky shift it has. I think that'll look beautiful on the lid. Okay, then my two greens. I'm not a huge fan of green. And it's not really because I don't like greens. I just feel like I have too many and I don't wear it as often. Okay, there we have New Leaf. It is like almost a minty, foresty, I don't really know how to describe it, type of green. Is the color on my finger. Something I can work with. And then the last of the single shades is Buri. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Okay, there we have Buri. It's a dark foresty green. It's a bit brighter than the previous one and a bit darker. Brighter as in a more yellow undertone. Okay, there we have it for all the matte shades. Let's look at the face products. I managed to burn my finger yesterday while making dessert. I was making a chocolate flan and the sugary syrup burnt my finger. So I'm struggling to do normal things now. It's pretty. Ooh, it's very dark. Didn't expect that. Oh, but this will be pretty. Let's swatch it. Ooh, this one I'll have to be careful with because I think that can get pretty intense. Okay, the highlighter. I love Oden's Eyes packaging. These boxes are so pretty. Okay, there's the highlighter. Ooh, it's a pretty purple one. Oh, that's shiny. I think I'll probably be using that on the eyes more. Oh, it's got a shift to it, a golden purple shift. It's quite interesting. Okay, let's open the lip products quick. Okay, this is Nude Nectar. It's a nice color. Swatch it on the hand. It's a nice nudie, but a bit darker. I think it'll be a pretty color. Okay, this is Latte Lily. It's also a dark shade. Ooh, okay. Like a coffee shade. That can be interesting. I used to wear this type of color a lot when I was younger. I tend to go for lighter shades these days. And then Tawny Rose. Oh, it's very dark as well. more of a chocolatey brown. So I think I'll probably use the matte one most between the three. Okay, I'm going to clean this up quickly before I smudge everything when I open the big palette. I was paused when I recorded the swatches. I think I was busy cleaning up, so I don't know how much of the video I missed. I hope not too much, but these are the left side of the swatches. I'll do the right side now, and then I will just show you those swatches as well. Okay, there we have all the colors from the right side of the palette. This is more of a cool tone side, I think, except for the yellow colors there at the top. That black shade, the sparkly one, is pretty. The middle shade is pretty. The purples I always love. I do feel like those two matte darker colors are very similar. Okay, and that's everything, guys. Just gonna quickly clean up and then I'll go through everything that I received again. Okay, I've glitter everywhere now. So we received the big ice crystal palette, the 3 lip shades, a highlighter, a blush, and a total of 5 single shades, 2 mattes, 2 shimmers, and 1 multi-dimensional. And I think that's overall a good value for money for what I paid for this bundle. I'm very happy that I only have 2 single shade duplicates. The rest of the products I don't have, and especially with the palettes, because I do have some Oden's eye palettes already and I was a bit nervous about getting duplicates. I'm happy I didn't. And I'm curious to see if other people also only got 1 big palette, or maybe 2 smaller palettes, or a big palette and a small palette without the single shades. I haven't watched anything on YouTube yet, so I'm going to start watching now that I've done my unboxing already. So leave a comment down below. What do you think about the composition of what I've got? Is it worth it? Would that be something you would consider next time? And if you have purchased the mystery bundle, let me know what you got in yours. And then I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope to see you next time, guys. Bye.